Have you ever wondered how a simple process like fermentation can turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary delights that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also boost your health? In the heart of India's diverse culinary landscape lies a treasure trove of fermented foods, each with its own unique flavor and story. Today, let's embark on a gastronomic journey to explore these gut-friendly wonders and discover how they play a crucial role in maintaining our overall well-being. The fermentation magic, a gateway to gut health. Fermentation is not just a culinary technique. It's a celebration of life at the microscopic level. This age-old process involves the transformation of food by beneficial bacteria, yeast, and other microorganisms. The result? Enhanced flavors, improved digestibility, and a plethora of health benefits, particularly for our gut microbiome. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and maintaining a balance between the good and the bad ones is essential for our health. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, the good bacteria that help keep our gut flora in harmony. They aid in digestion, boost our immune system, and even help in preventing chronic diseases like obesity. The fermented gems of India. Dokla, a Gujarati delicacy, dokla is a steamed, spongy cake made from a fermented batter of rice and lentils. The overnight fermentation process is crucial for its texture and health benefits. It's a perfect low-calorie snack, rich in antioxidants and friendly to your gut bacteria. Pickles. Indian pickles are not just condiments, they're a burst of flavor and health. Made through anaerobic fermentation, they contain vinegar or brine, which are rich in acetate, a short-chain fatty acid that positively influences your gut microbiome. However, moderation is key due to their high salt content. Kanji. This fermented drink from North India is a winter favorite. Made from black carrots, beetroot, mustard, and black salt, kanji is left to ferment in the sun for a few days. It's a probiotic-rich beverage that supports gut health and adds warmth to chilly days. Induri Pitha. A traditional Odia pancake, Induri Pitha is made from a fermented batter of rice and black gram. Steamed in turmeric leaves, it's a delicacy prepared during the Prathamastami festival. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also for your gut bacteria. Hawai jar, a Manipuri marvel. Hawai jar is fermented soybeans packed in banana leaves and left to ferment in the sun. It's a protein-rich food that breaks down into amino acids during fermentation, making it easily digestible and beneficial for gut health. Korisa. From the heart of Assam comes korisa, a fermented bamboo shoot delicacy. It's packed with beneficial bacteria that aid in digestion and add a unique flavor to Assamese cuisine. Solkadi. A Konkani specialty, solkadi is made from fresh coconut milk and kokum. It's a probiotic-rich drink that promotes gut health. However, watch out for the calorie content due to the coconut milk. Ragi Ambali. A cooling beverage from South India, Ragi Ambali is made from finger millet flour and buttermilk. It's left to ferment overnight, making it a probiotic-rich drink that's perfect for hot summer days. Dosa. Last but not least, the beloved dosa. This fermented crepe made from a rice and lentil batter is a staple in South Indian cuisine. It's rich in probiotics and can be made healthier by adding vegetables and moderating the oil used. Embracing fermentation, a step towards a healthier gut. As we explore these fermented delights, it's clear that India's culinary heritage is not just about flavors. It's about nourishing our body and soul. Each of these dishes tells a story of tradition, health, and the magic of fermentation. Incorporating fermented foods into our diet is a simple yet effective way to support our gut health. Whether it's the tangy kick of a pickle, the soothing warmth of kanji, or the comforting bite of a dokla, these fermented foods are a testament to the wisdom of our ancestors and the wonders of nature. With that said, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.